What's going on, guys? Welcome to my second tutorial on Microsoft Excel. I hope you guys are doing great. So as you can see, I've added some more values to my data set which I used in the previous video. As you can see, I've added some more values and I've even added two more columns. Why not? So the first one which I will talk about is the Pokemon type right here. As you all must be knowing, every Pokemon has a type, like Pikachu is electric, Staryu water type, blah blah. So I've just added another column for that, and I've even added another column which is the serial numbers, which just specifies the serial numbers, because why not? Anyway, so let's start by adding the serial number, shall we? So all you have to do is double click 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? This is taking a lot of time. The data set that I have right now is actually a small one, but the data sets you'll be working with in the future will be much bigger. It'll be pretty much going on forever. All right. The data sets that you work on will be much bigger than this, and you cannot just sit here and add the serial numbers for each and every row. So what can be done for that? Guess what? Excel has an easy solution. First, let's delete these numbers. Just select them, hold shift and delete. Alright, so once you deleted all of these numbers, so basically before I do this, I'll just give you a brief explanation. Microsoft Excel has a feature in which it identifies the pattern. Alright, so basically I want to add the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So if I just add two numbers right here, say 1 and 2, so Excel will basically autofill the rest of the values based on the pattern that I have created here. So all you need to do is press shift, hold shift, select the arrow key downwards, select both of the values, and then if you can see a small box at the end of my selection, just take your mouse down there and you can see that the shape of the mouse changes. So as soon as you see this, all you have to do is just hold it on and drag it down. And wow, magic, right? It autofilled all the values to from 1 to 10, and no matter how big your data set is, you just have to drag it down and it will autofill it automatically. I'll just show you one other really cool feature that you can do with this in Microsoft Excel. Suppose you want to type the days of a week, say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All you have to do is just type Monday, and you don't have to really type Tuesday because it automatically recognizes that these are the days of the week. So just select, just hold the mouse there, drag it down, and boom. Pretty freaking awesome, right? Anyways, just shift, hold it, and delete all the values. So the second thing that I want to talk about is coming to the type column right here. So you know what? I just decided that I really don't care about what type the Pokemon is. All I care about is how many Pokemon I caught. Gotta catch them all, right? So I decided that I need to delete this column. So it's a simple thing. All you need to do is just select this column right here and press delete. Boom, it's gone. Alright, so now there's a problem here, right? You see that my data set has a gap in between. I want the numbers owned from column D to column C, but there's a gap here. So what should we do? Not a problem. So first we'll undo this. So basically when you click the column here and press the delete key, it deletes the column, but it leaves a blank space right there. So there's a pretty good alternative to this. All you need to do is right click on this column right here and press delete columns, and boom, the numbers owned is come from column D to column C. Alright, pretty freaking awesome, right? Anyway, let's just undo this. You know what, I just decided I want the column for Pokemon type for now. Anyway, so I just want to talk about one more thing that is a pretty freaking cool thing that you can do. You can basically add on colors to individual cells right here. So I just select this cell and I go to this option right here, and as you can see it says fill color. So go there and just fill any color you desire. Let's see, I want light blue, and you have a light blue color right here. So you can use this to really beautify your tables. For now I'll just delete this by undoing it. Great, I'm sorry. Yeah, all right. So How do you beautify your data set? Just go to your header, hold shift, select all the columns, and just fill whatever color you want. Let's see, like green. Pretty freaking cool, right? The table looks much more better right now. All right, so before I end the tutorial for today, I want to talk about one last really cool thing that you will really enjoy. So one really cool feature in Microsoft Excel is that you can perform calculations. All right, there are a lot of calculations that you can perform. I'm just going to show you a basic one right now. We'll be breaking down everything else in the subsequent videos. All right, so just imagine that I want to know how many Pokemons that I own in total. I have the number of Pokemons for, like, I have 40 Pikachus, 10 Staryus, 4 Snorlaxes, etc. But I want to know what are the total number of Pokemons that I have. So I need to add all of these, right? Well, let me just take my calculator and put in all these values and add them. No freaking way. Guess what? Microsoft Excel has an inbuilt function for this, and it's very easy. All you need to do is just select any random cell. I'll just select this cell right here, press the is equal to button, and press the word sum. So as you can see, there's a drop down box here. You have a lot of functions right here. You don't have to worry about all these functions right now. We're just focusing on the aggregate function. So as soon as you press sum, you can see that the sum option is selected. Now you just have to open a bracket, and as soon as you open a bracket, you can see that there are a lot of options inside, which says number 1, number 2. All these are the numbers that you want to add, right? So instead of just typing the number 40, 10, 0, etc. inside this, all I can do is just select the cell, and the address of the cell, that is D, 2, pops out here. And Microsoft Excel automatically recognizes that D2 corresponds to a value of 40. Now all you need to do is select all these individual cells. So hold shift and drag it down by using your arrow keys. And now all I've done is selected all the values from D2 to D11. After doing this, the process is pretty simple. Just press enter and boom, there you go. You got the aggregate value, 170. And one more thing is that as whenever you click the cell right here, and if you go and look at this place right here, you can see the formula that you've used. All right, so if you ever forget what formula you used or how did that value come out there, all you need to do is just click it and you'll know what formula you used. All right guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you liked it. I'm sorry. So I hope that you like and subscribe my videos. Please do that because it motivates me to make more videos, and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.